Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, everybody. Happy Friday. How we all doing today? What up, what up, what up? Sup, Alex? Sup, Light? Sup, Jack? Sup, Beyond Limits? Sup, Champions? What up, what up, what up? How we all doing? Happy Friday, y'all. Oh, yes. Fishing Friday, Freedom Friday, everything Friday. What up? Hey, John, 10 cents is 10 cents, man. Hey, you're a profitable day trader today, John. Let's go, John. Dude, imagine you could take out 10-cent withdrawal. Dude, take Profit Trader, you could probably get like 8 cents after the fees. Dude, we're the champion traders now. 8 cents on the day. Let's go. Guys, I'm freaking pissed. You know what happened? Okay, I blew that one eval, not a big deal. And then I had another eval, yeah? Guys, yesterday, I freaking passed it. I literally got it to 3 grand. And then I went like $15 over the consistency rule or something. So I had to make like 40. It was like $47. I passed the account. I had to make $47. Okay, I said to myself, not a big deal, 47 bucks. Lost. Ended up blowing that freaking eval, dude. I was so tilted. I was so pissed. Oh my, I was like 50 freaking dollars I had to make, and I blew the eval. We literally had a live account. We literally had, I mean, not a live, we literally had a funded account. I was like, I went $15 above the thing. I literally just had to trade, and then it was just going down. Every single trade was a loss and blew the account. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it was a horrible thing. Oh man, I was so pissed. $50. I literally made $1,500 on that one account at 3 grand. Okay, let's go. End of the day, oh, you gotta make $50 more. Not a big deal. No, I sized down hella, and then every trade went down against me, and then I was already down like $500. I was like, what the heck? And I traded small at the start, and then I traded one mini because I was down 500, and it literally just went downhill from there. Oh man, I was so pissed. Guys, I don't get tilted that often, but dude, I was so tilted. Thank God it was only one account, but still, instead of 5, but still. Dude, oh man, that was bad. I was like, put the fries in the bag, paper or plastic. Hey, light, nice, $14 payout, let's go. Yeah, guys, we literally had a funded account locked in. Crazy. I don't know. Dude, I was so heated. Yeah, we had to put the paper or plastic, big dog, this weekend. Yeah, back to the gulag. I was like, I am not buying any more challenges after that with Alpha. I was like, nah. It's not their fault. It was my fault. But still. At least we still got... These 3 are funded. But literally, we had a funded account locked in. Yeah, Jack, it freaking happens, man. Guys, we gotta make the champions comeback. Champions comeback. Light? Oh, yeah. It's so annoying. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, Tommy. That's why I was like, I'm not gonna buy any more evals right now with Alpha. Just because, like, I want to get a payout first. I'm like, there's no point in getting, like, more funded with them if I can't get a payout with these 3. Yeah, we could cook, guys, with 3 accounts. We can cook. Hey, what's up, Robert? Good morning. How you doing? Oh man, these are kind of big candles today. We had like a big, massive rip up. I was catching nice longs, and then just dump. Bills, yeah. No, I got some challenges with Lucid. The flex. Because they had that good sale. We're in eval jail right now, guys. We're in eval jail this week. My Fund Index Bold accounts are at like 1,200 challenges. Yeah, we're in eval jail, boys. Thank you, Tommy. Thank you. Yeah, we got lock in for next month. Summer grind. Summer grind. We gotta lock in. Okay, well, these two accounts, we need to be in a profit, which we are, but we just need 4 winning days. And a decent profit to withdraw. Well, I think with these accounts, I know they are with the 0 and other accounts, I'm sure. But these accounts, I'm pretty sure if you request a withdrawal, like, let's say you're only at, like, $1,000 balance. I'm pretty sure if you request a $500 payout, 50%, you'll still have $1,500 to work with in drawdown after the payout. Is that at $1,500? Yeah, I think so. Instead of letting it go to 0. I think they're one of the only firms that allow that. Because all the other firms, if you take a payout, it doesn't matter the amount. You just can't let your account hit $0 or $100, the balance. But this, you can go back into the negative, which is good. So you can take a small payout. Oh, yeah. Bum, bum, bum. It looks like it's going back up in the range, but we'll see. Alright, where are we going, everyone? Where are we going? Where are we going? But yesterday we took some nice scalps on this account. Just a quick scalp, $500, and this one 400. This one we took 2 losses on. Bullish, bullish, bullish. Half the stocks are like green and half the stocks are like red on the day. Damn, Palantir's up almost 9% today, and then it would like rise like hella yesterday, like 7-8% too. Sheesh. Nice, Tommy. Good job, man. Yeah, you get your funded accounts for the new month, June. I don't know, every time before like a new month, I always like to try and like stack up my funded and be like, okay, this is gonna be a good month. Like the weeks before. What's up, Brian? How you doing, brother? Guys, we're back in the gulag. We're back in the gulag. We gotta grind our way out. We gotta get some payouts. Oh yeah, Brian. God bless, man. Yeah, every day is a good day, Brian. No matter what. Amen. Right on, Brian. What's up, Justin Ray? What's up, man? How you doing? What up, everybody? Oh yeah, Brian. Yeah, I like this time slot so much better for the streams. So much better.
Order filled.
I'll take a stab long right here. Thank you, Brian. Yeah, you guys are killing in the Discord. Damn. You think so, Beyond Limits? We got long until we're wrong. No.
Stop filled.
Stopped out on that trade. Damn. Get up. You're not even rushing too. That's the crazy part. Yeah. Light, yeah. Catch a sell off. Get up. You gotta bounce. We gotta bounce back, man. We're in the eval jail. We're in the gulag. Yeah, I'll be honest. Yeah, we gotta be cautious about that. Yeah. Damn, Tommy. Holy crap. Tommy, what accounts are those? Tommy, you've been trading one at a time, right? Because you've been cooking. We're cooking. We're cooking in the kitchen, guys. We're cooking. Nice, juicy steak, yeah. Light, yeah, we're kind of chopping right here. Should have probably stayed out of that trade. Nice, Tommy. Tommy, do you have the old accounts? Because, like, with the new accounts, they have, like, payout caps on the 50K accounts. Do you have the old accounts? Because I think the max you can take a withdrawal on a 50K account now for top step is, like, 2 grand. Well, I'm thinking in their shoes, they're, like, really good with the 50K and smaller accounts, 100K. Because you could still get, like, 5K payout caps. But then, like, every other firm has, like, a 2 grand payout cap now on the 50K. So they're like, if they can do it, why can't we? Oh, new accounts, Tommy? Hey, what's up, X? Nice, Tommy. Yeah. Yeah, be honest, they sent me that too. Yeah, they sent me that too. They're like, back to funded just got better. Please buy our accounts. Please reset your funded. You know what's a crazy stat? They said in the email, like 56, I think it was 56 or more. Let me see the email. Top step, yeah. Michael Patak, where you at? Where is it? I can't find the email. I think I deleted it. Because the freaking, the back to funded, they were like, oh, over 56% of people or something, maybe higher, blow their funded account on the first day. Dude, it's so tilting. Yeah. Yeah, Brian, they used to be a 5 grand payout cap. Which is crazy because that was hella good. But now, yeah, they lowered it to 2 grand too. And their 25K account was also 3 grand payout cap, which is pretty big on a 25K account. Motri, I took a long, but we got stopped out instantly. We're instantly in drawdown, so I want to see if it still plays the range, because if it plays the range, then it could just fall right back short, but I want to see what it does first up here. I want to see if it breaks out. Brian, the old Top Step accounts, you could have a 5K payout cap. I think the only prop firms that allow like 5K plus on a 50K account is Take Profit Trader and the MyFundedFutures Pro account, 50Ks. All the other ones are capped. Tradeify, the select one 5 days, 3 grand cap, which is pretty good. But all the other prop firms are like 1,000, 1,500, or 2 grand payout caps on the 50Ks. Like Lucid's a 2 grand cap. Yeah, Tommy, same amount of money, Tommy. Hey, Tommy, that's a good ROI, man. That counts like what, $90 with the daily loss limit? Yeah, because Top Step had a daily loss limit one, and it's like cheaper. $95, yeah. Yeah, that's like an average price of a 50K account now. Fishing Friday. Gotta catch them all, boys. We gotta catch them all. Guys, yesterday I had a hella good leg workout. I did 4 sets of back squats of 6 reps. So 4 sets of 6 reps. Hamstring curls, leg extensions, and then the hip adductors. Pretty fire, pretty fire. And then right after, for dinner, I had like a pound of ground beef for dinner. Yeah, I made like tacos. It was pretty fire. Taco Thursday. Beyond Limits, I wish. I'm busy today. Yeah, I'm not gonna probably be fishing until like next week minimum. Yeah, I'm gonna be pretty busy this weekend. I want to go fishing today. I want to go fishing every day. Dude, imagine we're day trading on the kayak, live streaming. More just goes up. Yeah, Tommy, every payout helps. You can crack at that dent, man. And then, Tommy, since you have your job, you can literally just be like, have your job as like your main source, obviously, and then yeah, payout money, pay off the mortgage. Deal's nice. Yeah, who needs to do squats when you can get a nice juicy chest pump? Yeah, get nice and swole. Yeah, there you go, Dills. Stay strong, brother. Got your boy Nell. What up, brother? How you doing? I know, be honest, we just shorted right there. Good thing we didn't take a long again. Yeah, it looks like it's kind of playing the range. Kind of rejecting off here. What up, what up? And then I went to a new gym yesterday. It was pretty sick. It's my cousin's gym that he goes to, and he's back from college. And that gym's pretty sick. They have iron plates, so like when you're lifting, the plates will rattle and stuff. So it sounds pretty sick. Where like 24-hour fitness, it's just like what, the rubber plates? And they don't have that rattles. It's like the old school iron dumbbells and plates. It's pretty sick. It's a small gym, but it's pretty nice. I was like, if I want to get hella strong, I gotta work out there. They have like, no one's really there. They have like 3 open squat racks. Like, yeah. On a busy day, there's only like probably like 10 people in the gym. On a busy day. God bless, Brian. Have a great day, brother. Have a good weekend, man. I'll see you next week, Brian. Have a good one. Beyond Limits? Damn. Beyond Limits, just wear like big jeans and baggy pants. Ignore the haters, Beyond Limits. They don't know the grind. Yeah, because... Oh, man. New month, guys. We gotta lock in. Guys, we got the halfway mark next month. We got the halfway mark next month, guys. Beyond limits. Yeah, they're technically making fun of you. So yeah, they're kind of being the asshole in the first place. So you just beyond limits, you're just reciprocating the energy. Like I don't care who you are. I treat everyone exactly the same. Like if you're like a famous person, I'll treat you exactly the same as like a normal person. And like when I was doing the shoe business, there was these bigger resellers that were like more popular on social media. And then when I was like talking to them, they were like I don't want to be like mean, but they were complete assholes and douchebags. There's a couple really cool ones and very humble, but most of them, the bigger ones, were like just complete douchebags, and they just thought they were the shit. And because they were like a big popular reseller, that they could get the prices cheaper or something just because they're bigger or something. So I was like, yeah, I just treat them exactly the same. I'm like, nah. Lakash, what up? How you been? I haven't seen you in a while. Yeah, one trade a day keeps the 9 to 5 away. I gotta start implementing that, really. 2J Kicks, he sounds hella familiar. 2J Kicks. He sounds really familiar. Oh, 2J Kicks. Yeah, I know him. Yeah, Urban Necessities. Yeah. Yeah, I know him. 2J Kicks. That sounded hella familiar. I remember him. Yeah, what happened? 2J Kicks. Dude, a lot of my reseller guys, yeah, they all got out of reselling. There's some that are still doing it. But a lot of them either, I don't know, they just stopped posting at all. And then a lot of them also went to Pokemon. Bro, when I went to the grocery store, yeah, I saw some, I've been seeing like real life scalpers. There's just like these grown ass dudes just waiting at the machine. One of them, there was like 5 dudes literally just waiting at the Pokemon machine. I'm like, bro, come on. Come on. Guys, we can make that in one trade. We can make it in one trade. Sitting all those hours at the Pokemon machine, you can make that in one trade. But vice versa, you could also lose it in one trade. Gotta be cautious. You gotta be sneaky, guys. You gotta be quick. Damn, what was that candle right there? Well, we just got a lot of volatility right now. Damn. That's crazy beyond limits. Yeah, a lot of also consignment scammers, dude. I've known some people, they did a consignment scam. So they would literally get a bunch of people's shoes to sell for consignment and they get a percentage, yeah. But then they would literally keep the shoes and all the money. And they would never pay out the people that owned the shoes. That actually happened a lot. I know a guy that I did resale business with. He did that with a local shop, actually. And he lost over 30 grand. Yeah, that's a lot of money. He lost over 30 grand with them. I think he had to go to court and all that. It's crazy. That's why I like trading, guys. We're pretty much our own boss. We're our own boss. 47% voted up. Alright, okay. I want to see how it reacts to this 440 area. Because we have rejected it there a few times. I want to see if it still respects the range. Yeah, I know. That's what I'm saying. Yeah. Trump. Mr. Trump. Dude, Trump probably tweeted, he's like... He probably said something. You know what's funny? He could probably say, like, eggs for breakfast or some random shit. And then the market might react. Jamu, what up? And we got an imposter in the chat. Jamil. Zyron, what up? Let's go. Jamil, did you call the cops yet? We got impersonator in the chat. We got someone took over our live streams, guys. And our channel. The last 2 videos. We got imposter, bro. Yeah, Alex, yeah. Yeah, literally, if he just says, like, literally one thing about Trump coin, if he goes, like, Trump coin's the best coin, it would literally skyrocket like crazy. Yeah. FBI, open up. Call the cops. Somebody call 911. Get him out of here. We got impersonator in the chat. We got an AI casinator right now. Dude, Trump coin is $1.97. Yesterday on stream it was like $1.89. That's crazy. Bro, his DJT stock, his Trump Media and Technology stock, damn, it went to $8. That's hella low. It's up 6% today. Bro, a lot of his stocks and shit, crypto, they don't really do that good. We got him. We freaking got him. Is that right? I don't know. Is there? It's garbage. It's garbage. It's like the South Park episodes. You cabbage. Straight cabbage. Mr. Trump. Jamil, one trade, we instantly got stopped out. We took a long ride here and got instantly stopped. Like 20 points. We can make it back. We gotta hit our lick back type trading. Yeah. Yeah, Snooky wants smush mush, yeah. You got muff in your cabbage, buddy. Dude, that creature looked like a damn chupacabra, guys. Damn chupacabra. Jersey Shore. You guys remember Jersey Shore? Oh my gosh. Jersey Shore. Snooky South Park. Look like a damn, oh my gosh. Guys, look at this thing. You guys think this is like a chupacabra or something? Look at this thing. Rip. Oh, man. We got a whole ass chupacabra in there. You're in longs. Good luck, Dyron. Gandalf, imagine you're in the gulag and you see that. Imagine you guys go into the gulag and that's your opponent. It's a damn chupacabra. Oh, shit. We gotta lock in, boys. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's like a damn chupacabra. In the South Park, they're like... I would just give up. Just take my eval. Just take it. Yeah, that thing was scary, guys. Oh. Chupacabra. Like a hairy ass little creature. Like, what the hell is that? Alright, we got a new 5 minute. 3 seconds. 314? That's a... Ryder, that's a hella good trade. $314. That's a nice long, man. Jamil, yeah, it can be tough, yeah. I think this market's a lot different than last month, even. Yeah, even like April. Like, completely different. Good job, Ryder. That's a banger trade, man, honestly. Yeah, that's at 130 points right now. That's hella good. And you're still in the longs. Sniper entry. Damn, a lot of you guys are going long right now. Kind of surprised. Let me see what ES is doing. ES. Damn, Robinhood stock is up 11% today. Holy crap. What's up, Zach? What's up, brother? How you doing, man? Happy Friday, Zach. Yeah, guys, like, we're kind of just rejecting right here. Zach, you killing it, bro. Let's go, Zach. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, yeah. We gotta start getting the payouts, boys. Yeah, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Because, Zach, you get the evals pretty good, man. You pass them pretty quick. Yep. Yeah, the accounts last longer, and then you're putting the money from the firm. That's what we want. Yes, sir. Yeah, that's why I always like to take the payout, guys, because for me personally, I don't like parking my cash in the prop firm because you never know what could happen. You could blow the account, the firm could change the rules, they could go under, whatever. More unlikely, obviously, with the legit firms, but you never know. So that's why I always take the payout, even if it's a small payout. Yeah, you could build a buffer, but always take some payouts, even if it's a small one. Zach, is that the FundedX Bold account you're talking about, the 9 micros? New 5-minute. Yeah, Zach. The FundedX Bold accounts, you're only allowed to trade 9 micros or 3 minis, Zach. Unfortunately, there's no 1 to 10 conversion with them on that one account. They have it with the other accounts. That's what I don't like about that account. So you're kind of, if you're trading above 1 mini, you're forced to trade minis. 9 micros is crazy. Yeah, I don't like firms that do that, but it's annoying. Because, like, if we trade micros, like, it's at a disadvantage for you. Yeah, Zach, so if you're trading above 1 mini, you have to trade 1 to 3 minis. With, like, other prop firms, it's like, yeah, 10 micros per 1 mini. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, yeah. Because it forces you to trade minis if you don't trade a bigger size. Which leads to what, guys? Blowing accounts. You could have banger winning days, but it also leads to blowing accounts. Yeah, do that, Zach. Yeah, that's the same thing with the MyFundedFutures Pro account on the funded. You're only allowed to trade 5 micros or 5 minis. That's a big discrepancy. So, in those accounts, you're trying to get bigger payouts, so you're forced to trade minis. Nice, Zach. Leron, I'm red too, man. I'm red on this account too. $400, 380. Hey, Leron, we can bounce back, brother. Keep jabbing, Leron. Keep jabbing. Gold been a blessing, yeah. Is that all you trade now? Yeah, Zach. It's because they kind of want to force you to trade minis if you're trading on the more than one mini. Because also, like, 15 micros is also a good sweet spot, too. Because, like, 2 minis is kind of a lot, and then 1 mini is, like, still okay. 15 is, like, right in the middle. 15 micros. 10 points is $300 on NQ. Leron. Boom, you think you're doing good, then boom, you just get smacked in the face. You're like, what the heck? Straight head kick, Leron. Yeah, 15 micros. It's like an interesting spot. I've done that on fundeds. Cause like I'll take my first trade with like 1 mini, and if I'm up on the day, I'll switch to like 15 micros. Yeah, we're just kind of chopping around right here, just kind of rejecting off this top area. Headshot. Headshot. Do we have any UFC fights this weekend? Tomorrow. 4 a.m.? Shit. 4 a.m. is crazy. I understand why, because they're in another country. But I've actually watched UFC fights at like in the morning with my cup of coffee. It's kind of nice. Saturday. $4 a.m. I'm gonna be dead ass sleeping. Yeah, keep it going, Zach. Slow and steady, brother. What up, Marky? How you doing, brother? What up, what up, what up? Guys, if it still plays the range, we might just have to play the range. Leroy, I know. Yeah. We have... Tomorrow, it's mainly the main fight that's a good one. Song. And then maybe the Kai fight. Oh, Tuxera, that guy's fighting. Bro, 6'6" and 260 pounds. Holy crap. 6'6", guys. Boom, boom, boom. But hey, we got that freaking White House card, the UFC Freedom 250. It's honestly like just a normal fight, like a normal big UFC card. Dude, Conor McGregor's fighting in July. That came out of nowhere. They came out of left field. Conor McGregor. Oh man, I remember watching him back in high school at his prime. Hungry Conor McGregor. I was watching him with my friends and stuff. Wow, good times. Good times. Guys, if you guys want to get really good at trading, you gotta be like the hungry Conor McGregor. When he was like dead ass broke and hungry. That was a different one. Jamu? I have no idea, man. They'll make it work. Nice, Zach. Yeah, rotating the props is like the method. It's so much less risky. Yeah, me too, Leron. And then his old motivational videos too. Money got the best of it, man. I mean, dude's a multi-millionaire. Hundreds of millions. Marky, yeah, we took a long ride here, got stopped out, but hey, we're still doing good. We only took one trade. We gotta be sneaky, guys. We gotta be quick. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, Jamil. Yeah. Nice, Zach. I think that's what I'm gonna do too, Zach. Yeah. I want to get my Funded Next Bold accounts funded again, and then get a payouts, then buy more accounts. Cause one Funded Next Bold account on 5 accounts, one payout, that'll cover like 46 50K accounts. That's a lot on one payout after the fees. 46 accounts, guys. It'll cover. And then you still have the Funded Next Bold accounts alive. You can take another payout. Tasal, that's a good question. I'm not entirely sure. It really depends on the risk team. Because the prop firms, yeah, they say that they have the right to move you to live after 4 to 5 payouts. But if they're smaller payouts, it depends on the risk team and how you trade. So it's not like a guarantee they'll move you to live after 5 payouts. It's up to the risk team. But I guarantee, yeah, if you got like 5 max payouts in a row on one account, they would 100% move you to live. But for the minimums, I feel like they would keep you there longer. I think. Yeah, Zach. They have a nice daily payout option. CSG, it depends. Sometimes I'll blow them really quick just due to bad trading on my part. And then sometimes I'll have them for like a few weeks, a month. It really depends. Zach, yeah. I mean, it's possible, Zach. And then you could buy, like, yeah, get another set of 5 accounts with them with that payouts. I mean, Zach, on one payout, even $1,200, that'll get like 12 accounts, 12 challenges. Kushia, probably not right now, honestly. I'm with the other firms right now, mainly. I usually go for the fun. Well, it depends on the challenges. I'll go like 1 to 3 minis max on the challenges. For the funded accounts, generally like 5 micros to a mini. If I'm up on the day, maybe 15 micros if I'm feeling it, or if there's like less volume as well. But I definitely size up on the challenges. Exactly, Zach. Yeah, exactly. Have the daily payouts keep coming in. Yeah, we got a new hour and 4 minutes. Country Boy now, the Fund Index Bold accounts. You can get them for like $95 after the discount. There's no sale, but it's like $100, but you get $5 off if you use the code. And then you can turn it into big payouts. Nice, Marky. Let's go. Lock in. Lock in, Marky. I want to see you get that payout. Marky, I want to see you get that payout and post it in our Discord, bro. Payout motivation. If you can do it, so could you. What do you mean a prospective collab, CSG? Or CSJ? Yeah, Zach. It's just good practice, yeah. Kushia, how many firms am I with? I think I'm with like 3 or 4 firms right now. But they're challenges. I'm trying to get my fundings back. But Kushia, if you want to scale to 100 to 200k, yeah, you definitely need to get max funded with like 5 firms minimum, probably. If you want to get like 100k. Yeah, 5 firms. Kushia. It's definitely doable, Kushia, but it's definitely more risky, and you definitely need to trade more accounts. Yes, sir, Marky, let's go. Yeah, if you want to get like 100k, 200k a year, 5 Lucid, 5 Take Profit Trader, 5 Tradeify, 5 MyFundedFutures, 5 Funded Next, 5 Alpha. That's a lot of firms. No, thank you, CSJ, thank you though. Koshia, yeah, you could copy trade all of them, but it's more risky. So it depends on you. You could also copy trade one firm to a firm. $20 Apex 50Ks, yeah. Yeah. 100k a year. Well, I got 300 grand in payouts with only 4 firms, actually, in 1 year. Yeah, I only use Take Profit Trader, Top Step, MyFundedFutures, and Apex. Yeah, you don't... Yeah. And I was like just like copy trading each firm. I was just like bringing in payouts. Yeah, top 5 firms. Yeah, Take Profit Trader for the daily payouts. Lucid, Alpha, Tradeify, MyFundedFutures. I mean, that's a great start. I mean, that's like 25 accounts right there. And you can have daily payout. Yeah, so if you guys really want to scale, yeah, it's nice to have the flex accounts for like bigger weekly payouts. Then trade those separately, and then trade like daily payouts firms to keep bringing money in. That's what I would recommend personally. Not financial advice. CSJ, because if you're copy trading every single account together, yeah, you could get a big giant payout, which is nice. But then what about the risk of ruin? Like, what if you lose and then you go on a losing streak and blow the account? You blew everything. So it's very high variance on that. So you're either gonna get a big payout or you're gonna lose a lot. So, but when you're copy trading like one account at a time, like right here, or one firm at a time, like let's say you have 5 different prop firms, and you're just trading each firm individually, you know, you got 5 shots at a payout. Where if you're copy trading all accounts at once, you're basically depending on that one group to do good. And, you know, it's more stressful that way as well. Kushia, yeah, but five accounts is a lot, Kushia, honestly. Like, you can easily stack 40, 50 funded accounts with legit prop firms right now. Easy 50 accounts. Yeah, 5 Take Profit Trader, 5 Tradeify, 5 MyFundedFutures, 5 Lucid, 5 Alpha, 5 Funded Next, 5 E8, 5 Top Step, 3 TradeDay, 3 Purdia. That's 46 accounts right there. Yeah, that's 46 right there. Yeah, that's a lot. And then if you want to add Apex, that's another 20. That's 66 accounts. Yeah, there's more prop firms too. I could keep going. There's more prop firms too. Tasal, yeah, I saw that, yeah. It's mainly to stop the gamblers in the live account. But I see why they do that, because it's with live Capital. But yeah, it does suck for the people that does affect Tasal. Ed, thank you, man. Thank you for watching. If you want a group trade, look, you can go to right here to manage groups. Manage groups. Hit the plus. You can name it to whoever you want. I would do 3 because there's 3 accounts, and then you can just drag. Boom, done. Beat a bop, bam. We got 3 copy trader right here. Look at that. You can do that with 5 accounts, 20 accounts, as long as they're on the same prop firm. If you want to copy trade multiple prop firms, you need like a third-party service like Tradesyncer or Tradecopia. I'll make a tutorial for Tradecopia. I'll post that video next week, guys, for Tradecopia, the tutorial. But look at that. That was super easy. Look at this. Boom, bop, bam. Set the timer. World record pace. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. We got copy traded. Oh, yeah. Anonymous, yeah, it can get stressful, man. Yeah, when I was like trading like 20 accounts with Apex, it was a little stressful at times. But I got used to it pretty quick. You definitely get used to it. Kushia, there you go. That's how you scale properly. Yep, good job. Start with 1 to 2 firms, get some payouts, and then you can scale. Use that money. Nice, PDG. PDG, you get that 10K in one day, bro? That's pretty impressive. I like Tradecopia more at the moment. It's cheaper and I haven't had any problems with it. Tradesyncer worked great for me for the pretty much all the time I used it, but then in April I had problems with them where I lost accounts. So that's why I went to Tradecopia, but anything could happen. Like, yeah, it's a lot stressful. A lot less stressful, yeah. Ed, yeah, I'll make a video for Tradecopia. Yeah, I'll make one for that. I also have a discount code because it'll get you guys 15% off if you use it. No, it'll get you 30% off, actually. Excuse me. 30% off your first month. Leroy? Yeah, man. Thank you, man. Yeah, I made that Tradovate. That's my most popular video, guys. Was the Tradovate video. How to copy trade with Tradovate for free. It got like 117,000 views and still growing. That's crazy. Yo, what's up, everyone? Casey with Casey Trades is gonna show you guys how to copy trade or group trade with Tradovate. Good times. Good job, PDG. That's banger, man. Staying, welcome in. What do you mean a little recap? What context are you talking about? Yeah. Leron, yeah, blue. Blue, where's blue? Blue's out being blue. Oh, I think she's right here. Yeah, blue. Dude, Leron, right here. Look, blue. This is the cat in the copy trading video, guys, from 2 years ago. Look at that. It's like magic. This is the cat literally coming up to here on the copy trading video. That's funny. Good old blue. Rambo, yeah, I saw what they did with the Take Profit Trader Pro Plus, yeah. I didn't know I don't know what's going on with their spoofing thing. I don't know spoofing. I never done that. Yeah, you gotta be careful with the Take Profit Trader, especially on the live accounts. Strange. Yeah, we took a long right here. Our first trade of the day, we got stopped out instantly. I was looking for like a continuation long, but it looks like we're just forming a range. So it looks like we're just rejecting off the range. So I think we're playing in a range right now. That's what I think right now. Started from the bottom, now we're here. Yeah. Dude, the cat's right here. She's chilling. That cat is famous, yeah. You're famous, Blue. Yeah, you're famous. Congratulations. Me, wow. Can you guys hear her? Tisol, yeah. Yeah, they're a good firm. I got payouts with them. Zach got payouts with them. They've been around for a while, Tisol. Yeah, they pay out. They pay out a lot. I got paid out in my bank within like 6 hours. Marky, it only affects a few people with the Take Profit Trader Pro Plus, where some traders were like pretty much just gambling, which happens. But it only affects a small number of people. So if you're like gambling behavior, then they put you on like a restricted program where you're basically allowed like half the contract size or something, or more, less than half, and then you have less drawdown to work with. Ed, I think you unfortunately need to do it on the desktop, I'm pretty sure. I don't trade on mobile, but I'm pretty sure you can only do it on desktop, unfortunately. If you want to do copy trading on your phone, you would need like a third-party service. Hey, what up, Isaac? What's up, brother? What up, Jamal? What's up, Tushar? What's up, gang? We got the OGs in the gang showing up. What up? Jack, right now, Lucid Flex, 50% off right now. 2 uses with code Casinator, man. Yeah, that's the cheapest, no activation fee. You can get a 50K account for 70 bucks, no activation fee. That's hella cheap. 25K account must be like even cheaper. Let me check my intelligence area. You can get a Lucid Flex for $50 right now. 25K account, no activation fee. That's hella cheap. You can turn a $50 investment into like $1,000 payout. Crazy. Stab. We got stab something. Nice, Tushar. Let's go. Jamal, I think you're doing too good, bro. You're doing too good. They might move you to live, man. July 2nd? What's till July 2nd? Kushia, I don't really set monthly goals because when I noticed when I did that, I would just keep focusing on the number and trade bad. So I just take whatever the market gives me. So I think I'm around like 50K in payouts this year after the fees, like the profit split. Maybe like 45 or 50K. It's somewhere around there. But I don't ever go to the month be like, oh, I need to make 20 grand this month minimum. Because that would make me trade bad and stuff. Yes, sir, Zach. Jack. Tushar, we took one trade, one small loss. Tasal, I'm not sure on that. They didn't specify that. I'm not sure. Yeah. 50% off. That's hella cheap. Lucid sale. Oh, yeah. July 2nd. Yep. Jamal, yep. It ends July 2nd. 2 uses. It's 2 uses, 50% off, then 30% after that. Jamal, yeah. That is true. Yeah, trading this market will only increase anxiety, guys, not your account balance. I like that one. Should we stab long? Yeah, these are fundeds. These are fundeds. $3:30? What time is 3:30 Eastern to PST? 12:30. 12:30? Guys, we have Jamal, Jamil, and Jamu in the chat. Yeah. We got 3 Jamals in the chat. Jamus. We got Jamal, Jamil. Light, low key. Yeah, I was thinking long maybe right here. Hey, God bless. Thank you, Oliver. From Israel, man. That's sick. God bless, Jamal. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Oliver. Thank you, Jamal. Thank you, guys. It really does mean a lot, guys. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Yeah, we got 84 people, guys. If you guys like the stream, make sure to like and subscribe. Get the free live streams going. Monday through Friday, y'all. Monday through Friday. Yeah, you know it's kind of crazy. We get a lot more viewers at this time than we did at Market Open. Market Open, we were only getting like 40, 50 viewers, which is still good. I'm not complaining. But these streams, we get like 70 to 100. Oh yeah, Jamil. Dude, I get mixed up with you guys' names. Jamu, Jamal, Jamil. Yeah, that's what I was thinking too, Tom, is because like everybody's trading at that time, and then also like all the other big streamers are streaming at that time as well. Yeah, that's why I was like, I also like this. Then I also traded like at that time as well. So I'm like, I like this time schedule so much better for the streams. Thank you, Tushar. Thank you, man. Jamad? Jamad. Yeah, Beyond Limits. That's what I was thinking too, is like no one knew at that time as well. Because everyone knows me for starting to stream at 9 a.m. PST, yeah. Lunchtime. Lunchtime. Yeah, I get myself some food right before, yeah. Oh, yes. Thank you, Oliver. Hey, on this new vlog, we got some cooking parts on the video. We got some nice dinners. Yeah, we got 3 nice dinners for the vlog on Monday, guys. Road to 250K is back on Monday. Oh, yeah. I want to do like more vlogs, like vlogs, like where I'm out and about in public. The only thing is I just don't like putting the camera like that in public. Like, I would love to record my workouts, but I don't want to be that guy at the gym recording, bringing a big ass tripod to the gym, because I'm literally just there to work out. But I see the vlogs where they have the workout videos incorporated with the vlogs, and it looks pretty cool. It looks really clean. But like I said, I'm just there to work out, so I don't know. I don't want people to be like, "Oh, look at this guy recording. Oh, Mr. Big Shot over here, Mr. Tough Guy, Mr. Tough Guy over here, setting off the lunk alarm." Yeah. Beyond Limits. Yeah, I say if we either break this or we bounce here again. Oh, on the meta glasses, Oliver? Maybe. Meta glasses? Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, Jamal. Yeah. Jamal, yeah. We gotta have a freaking, Guys, when we're recording in public, all we have to do is put this. We have to put Certified Funded Trader Recording in Progress. So it's like an action area. So we have this on the side. It'll be like, hey, hey, don't go over there, man. He's a certified funded trader recording in progress. Be careful. Like, sorry, I'm so sorry. Look at that. Certified funded trader right there, guys. Thank you, Michael Patak. Guys, that's my boss. You can check out my LinkedIn. 750K max allocated funded trader right here. Stab long. Oh, yeah. Dude, I gotta print out all my certificates from like each firm and be like Thanos with like the Infinity Stones. Oh yeah, we gotta make a video like that. Guys, I gotta start uploading my video. Dude, I've been slacking so much on the content. I gotta start posting more. Damn. Dude, I gotta stop slacking. Gotta lock in, Case. Accountability, guys. You think so? Yeah, all-time highs. Tommy, yeah, the trading and then YouTube is like pretty much my job, bro. So, and I'm slacking on half the job, which is the content. Because my YouTube shorts, I post on also like Instagram Reels and then TikTok.
Order filled.
They don't get nearly as much views, but still. Got a cross-platform. Alright, we're gonna take a stab long right here. Looking for a bounce up. Tommy, yeah, if I don't take this serious, we might have to put the fries in the bag, bro. We might have to put the fries in the paper or plastic. That's what we do not want to do. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I've been slacking on that. Yeah, we got a scalp, Anonymous, yeah. No, I kind of like this long, even if it doesn't work out. It's like a little scalp. Guys, scalp it up, scalp it up. Emil, yeah. Yeah, I got, in 2024, I got like 4 or 5 payouts with 20 accounts. Yeah. I got 20 accounts, 50Ks, got payouts with that, 40K. I got one with the 100K accounts, 20 accounts. 25K accounts, I also got another 20 set of payouts. We're kind of breaking down. We gotta be cautious. What do you mean they banned you, Jamal? Oh, no. Emil, I haven't traded with him in a while, yeah. Jamil? That's probably the smartest thing on a Friday, bro. Today's also the last trading day of May, too.
Stop filled.
Holy crap. Did you guys see that? Good thing we had a tight stop, man. If we had a longer stop, we would have got filled even worse. Damn. Well, good thing we had a tight stop on that one. Guys, we took 2 longs and both got stopped out pretty much instantly. Yeah, we took a long right here. Stopped out, and then one right here. That was a big candle rip, too. So, good thing we had a tighter stop, I guess. Below 300. There you go, PDG. Jamal, yeah, why'd you get banned? Well, this account's fresh on the day. Jamil, yeah. Well, this one's worse. This one's like 18%. No, wait, even... Yeah, 18%. Ooh, yeah. Ooh. Alright, well, we took 2 longs. We both got stopped out. What's the game plan in case? Loki might gotta look for a short. We got longs. Longs have not been working out. Cross coordinated trading. FBI, send them in. Send them in. What is that, like you're trading with like a group of people, they're saying? Very interesting. Yeah, you're not allowed to hedge on any prop firm. No prop firm. Rip. Well, I'm gonna get some water. I'll be right back. We're back, champions.
Order filled.
We're gonna rip a short. If we lose this trade, it's not our day. Pack it up, paper or plastic, fries in the bag. It's not our day. We do have a new 5-minute, but this is a very aggressive pullback, so wanna go short. Wanna go short. Yeah, did you hedge, Jamal? Nice, 15 points. Break the low, break the low. We gotta break this. 20 points. Or stop.
Order filled.
20 points. Okay. We took 2 losses long. Over 2 on the longs. Took a win on the short. I think we just gotta look for shorts. Hell no. You calling me a hedger? I ain't no hedger. I don't hedge. I don't guess. I don't gamble. I'm a disciplined, determined warrior trader. Jamal, yeah, I don't know why they would do that then. Oh no. Flush, flush, flush. Hey, Tushar. You're cooking, brother. You're cooking. Okay, we're up 400 on the day, but this account's now break even. Yeah, at least you got your Tradeify, Jamal. Yep. Tushar, look at that. That was a great entry. Yeah, great short. Nice 20-pointer. 20-pointer. 20 points a day keeps the 9 to 5 away. 20 points a day keeps the payouts coming your way. Dude, we could do that with a lot of things. Let's go, Tushar. Good job. Nice short, bro. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We were making lower highs right here. So probably should have stayed out of that long. On the second trade. You have a new 30-minute and a minute 20. Tushar? Yeah, it's a double-edged sword, man. That's why I say to you guys, if you guys got a payout locked in, just take the payout. Even if it's a small one. I gotta follow my own advice. There's times where I get greedy, bro. Greed is really the enemy. I still struggle with greed. Dude, there's been numerous days where I'm like, damn, if I just took the payout, it would have been a lot better. I want to be in this mess. If I literally just took in the payout. Guys, one of the hardest things to do in trading is literally hitting this X in the right-hand corner. is literally just hitting that X and walking away. Call it a day. You're done. You're done. Yeah, I still personally struggle with greed. I don't know why. Small numbers really do add up. Alright, we got a new 30-minute in 15 seconds. Beyond limits, yeah, it's tough, man. It's tough. Yeah, I've lost like 5, 10K payouts before where I literally just had to stop. And I would have been like 5, 10 grand richer. Probably even more because I wouldn't have blown the accounts and then buy more challenges. So even bigger swings because I had to buy more evals. We've all been there, guys. We've all been there. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. It's literally just hitting that X. And just literally walking away. I don't know. Go paint a picture. Go on a walk. Go walk your dog. Take your dog on a walk. Yeah, touch some grass. Read a book. Jamil, I lost it, man. I lost it. It's tough. I went on like a 10-day losing streak, bro. It was tough. Oh, yeah, T-Sharp. 15 incline. Let's go. $15 incline on the treadmill for 1 mile. You'll lose hell of that. Let's see if it wants to break or bounce here again. It did bounce here a few times. But we are making lower highs, so I feel like it's going to break eventually. Bam. Break, 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 break. Tushar. Holy crap. Yeah, that is true. I've had numerous, even with the options trading, I had numerous really bad Fridays where I lost so much and blew so many accounts where I just got used to it. Fridays, yeah. Because what do people want to do? They obviously want to have a green day on any day, but especially Fridays. Do you know why? They can go into the weekend feeling good and jolly. That's why you can't have you can't let it affect you. That's why I always like to take the weekends off, win or loss. Treat it the same. 50 burpees now. Double time. Yeah, Jamal. Yeah. Yeah. 100%, yeah. Yeah, you should be having your emotions flatline. That's how it really should be. Whatever, I took a win. Nice. I expected that. I put in the work. I deserve that win. Oh, I took a loss. Oh, it's okay. I managed my risk. It's okay. I followed my rules. That's all that matters. It was a good loss. That's how it should be. But I've been there numerous times, guys, where I'm hella high. Not high, you know what I'm saying? Not on that ganja shit. But high up, oh, heck yeah, we're gonna get some payouts. And then I've been low, what the hell? What is this? I just blew all my fundeds. That's why it's good to keep it flatlined. Bill, I don't remember the exact amount, but I think maybe 3 or 4. Because I was just trading 150K Top Step account. Yeah, I think I got it passed on my 3rd or 4th try. I think. It was around that. I don't remember the exact number. But after I got my first funded account, it took me around a month. Then it took me a month to get my first payout. So I got a payout with like 2 months after starting like futures trading with propfirms. Light, as long as you can still be able to put trades on the thing, it's alive.
Order filled.
Take a short right here. Looking for just continuation down. Summertime. I love me some summertime. I love summertime. Yeah, M5. Well, who knows? Bill, yeah, I blew in hundreds of accounts, guys, like hundreds. Yeah, a lot. Bill, just keep. If you pass the accounts, you could get a payout, Bill. Bill, really focus on like what you're doing wrong and like what's leading to those losses. Like, are you oversizing, over trading? Are you just doing everything good and it's just not working out? Like really dig down deep, Bill, on like why you're losing them. Go down. Jamil, that's not a bad idea too, yeah. Bill, yeah, that's smart, man. Really, yeah, because I still, like, I had a really bad overtrading problem last year, but I still struggle with overtrading, honestly. So, yeah, definitely set a trade limit, and then, yeah, daily loss limit would definitely save you, Bill. $300 daily loss limit is not bad for a 50K account, honestly, especially for a challenge. I think that's a good amount, Bill, really. $300 daily loss limit, 50K account challenge, yeah, that's fine. That's good discipline, Bill. Because, yeah, it really depends on the month. I try to budget, yeah. But if I get, like, more payouts in a month, sometimes I'll spend more on, like, other accounts because I got more money to work with. It really depends on the month. Yeah, that is too true to chart. It's a fine line, yeah. It depends on you guys' like bankroll and risk management and like if you're okay with losing the account. Because for the evals, you can either do like a very aggressive approach and try to pass like really quick, or if you're on a budget or beginner trader, I recommend just taking it slow. Yeah. Because if you're a beginner, I think the worst thing to do is just full port evals because, well, even if you're in a, yeah, mainly if you're a beginner, but sometimes also if you're advanced, because when you get so used to like full porting evals, those same temptations and problems can occur in your funded. So you think, oh, I made $3,000 on my challenge yesterday real easy. Let me do that on my funded and let me just full port. It can go both ways, so it can create bad habits. So just be wary about that. Oh, Daily Day Trade, what up? What's up, brother? How you doing? What's up, Sketch? How you doing? They stopped giving them out, Leron? I didn't even know that. Yeah, they had the payout clubs. They also had 25K payout club, and they have other payout clubs. Dude. Guys, Top Step, 5K club, yeah. Dude, it's got hella cat hair on it. Certified funded trader Top Step here. Kushia, I've been there numerous times. Yeah, I've been there numerous times. You just gotta really have the discipline. I've noticed that too. When I get payouts, sometimes I get a little confident and cocky. And then I'll start like trading aggressively. And I'm like, I end up blowing accounts. And I'm like, what the heck? What am I doing? Case, lock in. Lock in. Lock in. Doing good, daily day trade. Hope you're doing good as well. Bill, yeah, if you're doing great in Asia and London session, then you know you should only trade that session. If you're losing a lot in New York, stop trading New York. Try it out for like a week or 2 weeks, Bill. Same thing. Like I've noticed, I do better in New York, and then when I try to do Asia sesh, I get burnt most of the time. So I'm like, why am I trading Asia sesh? So I'm like, I just gotta stop trading Asia sesh. Especially if you trade both in the same day, you can get mentally fatigued. Because you could be just over trading during the same day, and you're just tired and stuff. Oh yeah, Tushar, yeah. Especially with the cheap evals, it creates really bad habits because you want to get it passed and done in Apex like in 1 day. Yeah, when I had the Apex evals, I was always trying to get them done in 1 day. Because 1 day pass. Especially when they had the sales, because you had to get it done in before the sale ended. So it kind of forced you to trade and gamble a little bit. But then with the funded accounts, they do not want you to gamble at all. So it just creates like bad habits in the long term. You guys just gotta recognize and like stop it. 10 points. 10 points to Gryffindor. Yeah, Leron, it's literally a nice hat. It's a nice accomplishment. Yeah, it's nice getting in the mail. When I filled out the form to get it, and then I got it like 4 months later, and I was like, oh shit, I wasn't even expecting it. When I got in the mail, the Top Step hat and pin. Guys, look at it, the 5K Club Top Step pin. Thank you guys, Michael Patak, 5K Club pin. Top Step funded trader. Thanks, Top Step. You're the best, Michael Patak. Peace out, Zach. God bless. Have a great weekend, Zach, as always. I'll see you next week, Zach. God bless, brother. No, Jamal. We got to push down. We got to push lower. We did crack back down to the 300s. 15 points. We're going to lower our stop. $20. Break this low, break this low. Stop loss to break even. What I don't want to see is a bounce right here. Yeah, it could bounce right there, and we can just get a re-entry. 15 points. See you Monday, Zach. Have a good one. Kushia, it's definitely a fine line. It really depends on the person as well, and your bankroll, and also how much you have to like risk. But if you notice, Kushia, if you're noticing you're going too slow with $150 a day, maybe try upping it to like $300 to $400 a day and just start from there. You don't have to like go from like trading small to like fully sizing up. You could just do like a small increase. So if you're generally trading like 5 micros, for example, on the challenge, maybe try like 7 or 8 micros. maybe 10. It depends on you. If notice you're blowing too much. So it depends. Just slowly, gradually increase. Don't just like, you don't go from like trading one account to trading 20 funded accounts. You know what I'm saying? So you just slowly, gradually go up there. Light, yeah. Some platforms used to do that, but they stopped doing that for some reason. It was nice getting those stuff. It really is like a nice milestone and like accomplishment when you get it in the mail. You're like, oh, nice. So, you know, I put in like hard work for that. We got a new 5-minute right here. All right, guys. We took 2 longs on the first start of the trades. 2 back-to-back losses. Then we took 2 shorts. 2 back-to-back wins. Shorts are the move right now, champions. Peace out, El Paso. Thank you for watching, man. Have a great weekend. God bless. I'll see you Monday. Too sure, I know. It does that all the time, bro. All the time. All the time. Well, if we could... We got the back most of the loss from the first trade on this account. So, if we could even get a winning day, like $200 profit, you know, that'd be nice to get a farm a winning day. Dobda, yeah, it sucks, man. It happens. If it's out of your control, you don't beat yourself up for it. John, I generally, 10 to 20 points usually on my trades. It also depends how fast the market moving, like how much volume. Let's see if it finally wants to break this or bounce here again. Break. Because look, it bounced here 2 times and then it broke. Gonna bounce here again like twice and now it's starting to break. God bless, Tommy. Thank you for the positive words, Tommy. Yeah, that's 100% true, guys. New month at next week, guys. Monday, new month. We can lock in, guys. We can lock in. If you're down on the year, you can make it back. And if you're up on the year, keep grinding. Thank you, Daily Day Trade. Thank you, brother. Yeah, I still like shorts, really. But every time we enter a trade, what I've been noticing is there's a lot of pullback. So it'll go up like 10, 20 points and then just do pullback. So, like I said, like I think scalps are the way, like 20-point trades. God bless, Jamil. Have a great weekend. I'll see you Monday. God bless, Jamil. Maybe daily day trade, maybe. Don't get too risky now. Bro, I think I'm getting burritos tonight. Hell yeah. Burrito Friday. Yeah. Nice super steak burrito. Fire. Stay disciplined. Dobda, I was talking to my cousin yesterday, and he uses Cloud AI. We were literally talking about it on stream too, and then he mentioned it. He uses Cloud AI to program his like powerlifting workouts, and it works out very well. So I downloaded Cloud AI last night. Hey, what's up, Dan? What's up, brother? Doing great, man. How you doing? We got 2 wins, 2 losses. So tempted. Stay strong, daily day trade. Lock in. Be disciplined, man. Focus. We got to focus. Hey, we have 95 people watching. If you guys like these live streams, make sure to like and subscribe and use my affiliate code Casinator at the propfirms. We keep these live streams going for free Monday through Friday. Every day for 2 hours a day, 9 to 11 a.m. PST daily. For free for you guys. All I ask is you guys do those 3 things. Helps out a lot. Shows YouTube that you guys like the channel and like the live streams and push it out the content more. So yeah, God bless, guys. Yeah, we're starting to break down. It's just slowly chopping down. When it's doing these balances, it's slowly chipping away at the wall. And eventually it will break. Yeah, we do have a new 4-hour candle in 10 minutes. Yeah. Yeah, bigger accounts for the challenges specifically. Yeah, you need to trade bigger size. Dude, the 150k accounts piss me off so much. I don't know why. Like, well, I do know why. It's because you have to make $9,000 in the challenge phase, which is already hard. So minimum, I have to trade minimum like 3 to 5 minis, generally. Minimum 2 minis, minimum on the challenge.
Order filled.
Might be a little risky. We got a big green candle coming in here, but it might reject right here. We're going to take another stab short, but we're basically break even on this account, so I'm willing to take another trade. The 50, I realize I get most of my payouts on the 50k accounts, and they're also cheaper, and they're easier to pass, and easier to get past the drawdown. So I'm like, why am I keep going? Sometimes I go to the 150k accounts, just so I can get like a bigger payout, because they have bigger payout caps. But I literally ended up blowing the challenges. I'm like, it's so expensive. 9k is hell on a challenge, yeah. You're forced to trade minimum, yeah, 3 minis. Well, the 50k account, I don't mind. I can easily trade 2 to 3 minis and get it to pass and done. I pass 50k accounts relatively easy, but the 150k accounts, I do so bad on them. 25k accounts are pretty easy to pass too. But yeah, those 150k, I struggle so bad on them. Yeah, next week, guys, summertime, yeah. Build the buffer. Yeah, daily day trade, it's like a worse ratio. The best ratio is a 25k account, then a 50k. I don't know anyone that really trades 100k accounts. There's a couple people that trade them, but the 100k accounts, they're kind of weird. We're right in a weird area. Like, you're either going with a 25 or 50k account or a 150k account. 100k just kind of like in, I don't know, it's kind of weird area. Luca, 100%. Yeah, they're cheaper. They're easier to pass. They have better drawdown to profit ratio. Way better. So I'm like, Casey, stop bothering with the 150k accounts. Lock in, Case. Come on, lock in. Daily day trade, yeah. That's what I was thinking, because with the take profit trader, the 25k account is a $1,500 profit target and then a $1,500 drawdown. And they're cheaper. Where with the 50k account, it's $2,000 drawdown with $3,000 profit target. So you have to make double the size with only an extra $500. And then I'm like, on the funded account, you could literally just bring it to $2,000 and just take payouts over $2,000 as well. You don't have to take out the 500. You could leave it in there if you want. 15 points. Go, go, go. Yeah, honestly, 25K accounts are slept on. Honestly, small numbers add up, guys, really. It's hard for me to comprehend that. I keep saying that, but it's true. Small numbers really do add up. Because, like, imagine you get a set of 25K accounts to pay out. You know, you're up. You get your money back and some payouts. All right, stop loss to break even. We're at 20 points. New 5 minute. Ooh.
Order filled.
Look at that, guys. What a comeback with that account. Look at that. Guys, we were down $400 on the day with this account. Took two, and look, we adjusted and we adapted, guys. Look, we took a long right here, instantly stopped out 20 points. We took a long right here, stopped out. What did we do? We took 3 or 4 shorts now, back to back, and look, we smacked them all. Look at that. Look at that. Look, we took a lot. We were down $400 on the day with this account. Now we're at $450 profit. This account, we took a small loss, like $260. And then, look at that. This one, we're at $400. See, guys? You got to adjust and adapt. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So now, look, this account has a winning day, and we're at a $1,000 buffer. So we need 3 winning days. I'm coming for that payout, Alpha. I want that payout. I want my money back. I want my damn eval money back. This account, we're only down 260. Fuck it. Champions. Champions. Are you with me, champions? Champions. Yeah, also, good job, Isaac. God bless, man. Thank you for using my code. Thank you. Yeah, the 25K accounts too. I feel like I don't know if this is true, but this is what I think. I think if you're just taking small payouts, even after 4 to 5 payouts, do you think they would move you to live? Like if you're only taking like $200-$300 payouts, like the minimum. Because if you were taking the maximum payouts every time, especially on a bigger account, like a 150K account, they would move you to live right away. But if you were just taking small payouts on a 25K account, do you think they'll move you to live after 5 still? Like you only took out $1,000? Yep. Let's go, T-Shark. Great way to end the week, man. Let's go. Let's go. Luca, yeah. 100%. Damn, we were just... Look at all these red candles. We've been selling short for an hour and 20 minutes now. Look, we made a double top right here and just rejected. Damn. Huh. Like, we're done with this account. We're 100% done on this account. Do we take another trade on... I mean, if I see a setup, I'll take it. Why not? Nice, Luca. Yeah, we had a nice rip up right here. I caught some nice longs right here on challenges too. Because we were just literally ripping up. You literally just enter a long and you're up. Now we're just doing a massive dump. Dan, generally, yeah, if you make 10 grand, they'll generally move you to live, but it's up to the risk team too, Dan, because I've seen people too make 10 grand in a day with one account, and they didn't move them to live. So it really depends on the risk team, Dan, and if they like your trading, then they'll move you to live. But Take Profit Trader honestly has the best live program out there. Yeah, we got the new hour, 1 hour, 5 minute, 3 minute, 2 minute, 15 second, 5 second to the downside candle in 40 seconds. T minus 1 minute champions. 1 minute, 1 minute. Ten seconds. Three, two, one, blast off. I got this. I got this. I got this. Fuck. Guys, when you're like, I got this. Everyone has a plan until they get punched in the face. Everyone has a plan until they get stopped out instantly and blow their account. Oh, I'm just gonna go into the day and take one trade, get a payout, and call it a day. Instantly stopped out. Now what do? You're up shit creek without a paddle. Yeah, I gotta figure out how to add this to the screen. That actually looks kind of sick. Guys, this is the leaderboard. We gotta see our progress. Press the top sign. Counts? Ah. Thank you, Bandit. I've been looking out how to do that, man. Thank you. Thank you very much, Bandit. Hey, thank you, Bandit. I'm gonna fix it on stream later where I can fully add it. Hey, get out of here. Skedaddle, buddy. I am so bad with the computer. Aye. Leron, no. I used to play it in like high school and stuff, but not really recently. I used to play a lot of Fortnite when it like was first coming out. Yes, sir, Bandit. Thank you. Yeah, I love the old Fortnite. I played Fortnite like a month ago or something for the first time in a while. I gotta probably play more video games, honestly. Because it's good to like reset and refocus. It's not always good to just stare at the charts all day. It becomes very stressful.
Order filled.
Alright, last trade. Last trade. We're up on these two accounts. Nice. This account, it's not over. It's not over. Ortherfield. All right, new 5-minute. You're going the wrong way. We're down 15 points. We're still in this fight. We're still in this fight. This trade's not over till it's over. Catch a nice 30-point drop. Call it a day. Call it a week. Oh, damn. Dude, that thing was playing with us right there. Damn, we were getting finessed. Dude, that thing was kissing the stop loss right there. Damn. Dude, we had numerous times where it tapped the stop loss and then rejected hard. Oh, man. Hey, all good. I think it was a banger day, honestly. Who cares? We got back. We adjusted and adapted, guys. We took 2 losses back-to-back long, and then we just kept looking for shorts. And look, we're up. We're up 400 on the day on this account. And we're up 450 on this account. So we got 2 winning days on this account and 1 winning day on this account. This account we're down 700. It's okay. We can bounce back. And yeah, so. Like, yeah, I think the long-term side effects of trading is very stressful and probably not good long-term, man. Yeah. Yeah. Especially when you're all caffeinated. I think it will have bad long-term side effects. We're probably going to start balding and aging really bad. Bobby, Loki. Yeah, Loki is just going to dump. Alright, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate y'all as always for watching the streams. It really means a lot. Thank you guys every day. God bless. And yeah, so I'll come back on stream Monday at the normal schedule, 9 to 11 a.m. So we'll stream for 2 hours every day and keep it going like that. God bless everyone. Yep. Have a great weekend, everyone. Don't overtrade. Don't over leverage. Go have a good weekend. And reset, refocus, and relax. Yeah. So appreciate you as always. I'll see you guys 9 a.m. on Monday morning. And yeah,